Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a quick look at NAGA. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. NAGA is a trademark of the NAGA Group AG, a German-based FinTech company listed on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. The NAGA Group is a fully regulated and transparent firm that is not only a publicly listed company, but a broker authorized by the CySEC in Cyprus, and a technology company operating in Germany. NAGA also complies its trading services with the necessary requirements set by the MiFID. As such, traders' funds are always segregated from the company and are covered by a compensation scheme in case of broker's insolvency. While trading with NAGA, you may access flexible leverage that allows you to control and manage risks better and according to your trading style. Since NAGA is a European broker, the company fully complies with ESMA restrictions. The maximum leverage available for retail traders is 1:30, while professionals may access higher ratios once the professional status is confirmed. NAGA has only one account type. Traders get access to a digital asset exchange, your own cryptocurrency wallet, and NAGA's native cryptocurrency, NGC. All you must do is simply sign up and equip yourself with a single, all-in-one NAGA account. NAGA provides a digital wallet on a proprietary crypto exchange platform with over 10 of the most popular cryptos. With NAGA, traders can trade in Forex, real stocks, stock CFDs, cryptocurrencies, commodities, exchange-traded funds, and futures, most of them with ultra-low fees. Forex has a fast order execution time, and NAGA includes over 500 instruments on the platform. Real stock traders can invest with no commissions. It has fast order execution time, over 400 real stocks to invest in, with 0 commissions and no hidden fees. Trade and benefit in commodities like coffee, wheat, natural gas, crude oil, and numerous other global commodities. You can trade CFDs on the world's top exchange-traded funds on a trusted and reliable platform, and discover over 500 trading instruments on offer. NAGA offers low spreads for all traders, despite trading account size, so any investor will get better trading conditions. Typical spread for the euro to the US dollar is 1.2 pips, which is considered a good spread among industry offering. As for other instruments, there could be commission charges for some assets, which you will find directly from the platform. While using social trading, all costs and spreads of the profit between master account and copy account will be calculated automatically. NAGA supports all major cards, cryptocurrencies, and alternative payment methods like e-wallets. NAGA offer the choice of either the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platforms, or use the proprietary software NAGA Web Platform together with its applications. While MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 do not require any introduction due to its world popularity, the NAGA trading platform brings you additional capabilities and a truly great balance between a friendly interface and its sophisticated solutions. Trading with NAGA on MetaTrader 4 lets you trade in a familiar platform, while still allowing NAGA users to copy your trading activity that is synced to your NAGA profile. Trading with NAGA on MetaTrader 5 lets you trade a wider array of instruments, including real shares. Physical shares allow users to attain ownership of companies that entitles them to benefits such as dividends. With the NAGA web application, You can use all NAGA's features, from auto copy to setting up price alerts, directly in your browser. NAGA's web application encompasses nearly all features from all platforms supported by NAGA, while allowing you to trade in over 500 instruments on a user-friendly and advanced platform. The NAGA application is supported on iOS and Android operating systems. You can download NAGA's free application for your iPhone or iPad, or on your Android device from the App Store, and trade on the go. Opening an account with NAGA is simple. Simply click on Sign Up on their homepage and fill out a registration form while confirming your email address. You need to supply some documents for identification purposes, and once this is verified, you can fund your account and start trading immediately. If you have any questions or need support, but did not find an answer in NAGA's Help Center, the company can be contacted directly. Consultants are available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. NAGA also provides their very own educational academy, where traders have access to articles, videos, webinars, and tutorials to teach and advise you on everything you need to know about trading. While one of the main parts of NAGA offering is a social trading capability, you will find excellent capability for copy trading, which is based on proprietary algorithms defining top traders and leading trades along with numerous bonuses. There is also a great offering performed via NAGA Exchange that allows unlimited and commission-free crypto and fiat trading through its biggest social network. Whether you are a professional or beginner trader, NAGA welcomes both with unique opportunities, either to copy trades or act as a master trader. NAGA provides daily webinars in multiple languages that cover a range of trading topics, from technical and fundamental analysis, market outlooks, and more. Also provided is an economic calendar from MetaQuotes that displays the date and time of upcoming global economic releases and market events. Traders can see the currency that will be impacted along with the previous forecast or an actual result from the releases. This can help as part of a fundamental analysis and keep traders up to date with the latest market movements. NAGA also has a social trading platform where traders can find news feeds, publish, like, comment, or share posts, copy or provide signals, get exclusive insights into different markets, get the latest market news, and connect with traders worldwide. Overall, NAGA shows a company that stands on strong technology and development of trading innovation. In trading with NAGA, you will find vast investment opportunities, whether you are a beginner or professional who seeks progressive trading options, accompanied by good trading conditions and costs. NAGA is an innovative online broker that offers a social investing network where traders can like, share, and copy investments on over 500 trading instruments. The large NAGA community allows beginners to increase their trading knowledge, while the more experienced traders can be rewarded for sharing theirs. It is a place for traders to interact with like-minded peers, discuss the current market conditions, and share results via your own personal choice or group or public charts. NAGA allows users to receive instant copy trading payouts to their accounts by offering their trading signals to be copied by other users. They have a great selection of copy trading features and social trading tools. Together with its regulatory obligation, NAGA seems a great choice of brokerage firm and could be a pleasant partner in your trading journey. And that is our overview of NAGA. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.